Hey there, welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you've ever felt like your living room is just a little too cozy, aka cramped, I've got some game-changing tricks to really help your space feel bigger, brighter, and more open. And the best part, these are all easy, renter-friendly, and budget-friendly. Let's jump right in. So the first tip would be to clear clutter. Declutter and minimize that visual noise. Clutter makes any room feel chaotic and cramped. Stick to a less is more mindset. Use stylish storage solutions like woven baskets, ottomans with hidden compartments, or even floating shelves. Keep surfaces as clear as possible and opt for multifunctional furniture to really reduce the number of pieces that you actually need. Think about it, if you have 3 pieces that do 3 separate things, why not get 1 piece that does 3 things? Then your room won't be as crowded or as cluttered. Neutral colors are perfect to use in a small living room. Soft shades like white, beige, taupe, and light gray, even though I know a lot of you hate the light grays, but they really create an open, airy feel, making the space feel larger than it is. A monochromatic palette keeps things seamless while layering different textures like linen, wool, or wood, and it really adds warmth and depth. Plus, neutrals are the perfect backdrops for pops of colors in pillows, art, or decor. It's an effortless way to make a small space feel fresh, inviting, stylish, chic, and welcoming. So next, let in a lot of light. Lighting is everything. If you have windows, don't block them. Embrace that natural light. Keep window treatments minimal or go for sheer drapes. If natural light is limited, layer your lighting with floor lamps, wall sconces, or table lamps to really create a bright and inviting space. A well-lit room instantly feels more open and spacious. So here's one of my favorite tips. Incorporate glass, lucite, or acrylic furniture. Transparent furniture is like a magic trick for small spaces. Glass coffee tables or acrylic chairs blend into the background, keeping the space open and airy. Actually, in this section, I showed you some pictures not just in living rooms, but in kitchens as well, so you can really see how this furniture is so awesome. They give you function without visually weighing down the room, so you get the style without sacrificing the square footage. Also, they can be a little hard, some people say, so throw a cushion in there. You'll just really create something that you love. So my next tip, use mirrors to create depth. Mirrors are a tiny living room's best friend. A large mirror reflects light and creates the illusion of depth, making your space feel twice as big. Try placing one opposite a window to amplify natural light, or go bold with a floor-to-ceiling mirror for a really luxe open feel. The next tip, use big furniture. Yes, really. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but larger furniture actually makes a small space feel bigger. Instead of cramming in multiple tiny pieces, opt for a well-proportioned sofa or sectional. A streamlined, low-profile design helps keep the room feeling open, while fewer but larger pieces create a sense of cohesion rather than clutter. Sometimes if you go for a smaller sofa, a smaller table, a smaller cabinet or something, you have a lot of stuff in there, but it begins to look really cluttered and overwhelming. So go big. So the next tip would be to use light and airy fabrics. So heavy dark fabrics can make a small space actually feel even smaller. Swap out thick curtains for sheer lightweight ones that really let natural light shine through. Choose linen or cotton blends for your throw pillows and upholstery to really keep things breathable and open. The goal is to create a soft, flowing effect that doesn't weigh down the room. Here's a common sense tip that you may not even have thought about. When space is limited, think up. Utilizing vertical space in your living room is a game changer. Install floating shelves for stylish storage, use tall bookcases to draw the eye upward, and opt for floor-to-ceiling curtains to create the illusion of height. Wall-mounted lighting and art can also free up precious floor space while giving your room some personality. By maximizing vertical space, you'll make your living room feel larger, more open, and effortlessly chic. And there you have it, easy and effective ways to make your tiny living room feel a lot bigger and a lot brighter. So let me know which tip was your favorite. Give me a shout down in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!